Hey guys, video service information here. Today we're looking at a 2016 Chevy 2500. Customer is complaining about a clunk noise while in drive. The vehicle, doesn't have too many miles on it, 59,000 miles. It has the Duramax engine in it. Normally, the GM clunk, I call it, is kind of a normal thing. I've actually had customers over the years where we've replaced virtually everything: front differential, rear differential, transmission, transfer case, drive shaft, U-joints, and the GM clunk, it's still there. It's kind of just buildup of slop between the transfer case and transmission, rear end. The tolerance are not as tight, I guess, from the factory. It's just something that GM's been battling for as long as I can remember. I've had probably 20, 30 GM trucks in my life, and every single one of them had that drivetrain clunk. But this one here was more evident, more pronounced for sure. Got it up in the air, looking underneath. Did notice the front differential bushings. If you took a pry bar in there, we get a lot of an excessive play in these bushings, and they're starting to deteriorate and separate from the sleeves. And running it on the lift, you could actually see the front differential while in full drive actually twists forward from these bushings having so much play. Did notice also the right side intermediate shaft. Here's a differential tube, and there's a bearing in here. We have an excessive play in this intermediate stub shaft here. Most likely this bearing is wore out inside on the tube. Got a little video here for you to watch on the excessive play in this shaft. Yeah, go ahead and check that again. Yeah, so you guys can see definitely the excessive play there on the right side intermediate stub shaft bearing. Most likely the bushings, since they're deteriorated and have excessive play in them, the front differential was rocking back and forth. This is a snowplow truck. So you can see here, it's definitely seen better days underneath. There is a lot of corrosion buildup and stuff, and so we have premature wear on those front differential bushings. And when that front differential was rocking back and forth, it caused premature wear in those bearings in the front differential. If you are hearing that clunk noise on your 2500 Chevy and you do snowplow with it, I would definitely check those bearings on the front differential, see if you have any play in the shafts, check those bushings. So if those bushings wear out, then it could cause an issue with the front differential. This one here, we went ahead and drained a fluid sample out of it also. And you can see the metallic debris built up into the front differential fluid. So all the metal coming off that damaged bearing on the inside. So we're going to go ahead and recommend a new front differential or to rebuild this existing unit, whichever is most cost effective for the customer. Thanks for watching, guys, and don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell to get notified every time I put up a new video. Have a nice day.